Hey everyone, I'm in Tarragona, Spain. I've just filmed the Central Market. If you want to check out that video, I'll leave a wee link in the description. It's basically a food market with a few clothes stalls around it. A bit more than that, but basically. So I think this is the main street I'm on. I'm not 100% sure, but it kind of looks it. So I'm just here for a couple of hours, so it's like a last minute thing. So down that way, about half a mile I think, is the Roman Amphitheatre ruins. So I'm going to go and check that out. So let's go. Now it's a really nice day and it's really quite warm. Got a feeling it's going to be as hot, maybe even hotter than it was yesterday. So let's see. I think this is where the main shops and that are. Now, Tarragona is in the Costa Dorada part of Spain, just along from Salou. Those who haven't seen my previous videos were actually in Salou for the week, and it's our first time. Jacqueline's always wanted to go to Salou, and I quite fancied it. I knew it was a family friendly kind of place, but it's really wheelchair friendly. Not sure about Tarragona yet, but this bit is quite good because it's just one big long line, one big long street, and there's plenty of space. So it's a nice day for it. There's some clouds in the sky. I was a wee bit kind of panicking when we left Salou. I said to the taxi driver, "Do you think it'll rain?" And it was a maybe, but I don't know. But we'll see. I wish I had more time to explore, but this is just a wee quick visit. But I like it so far. Clothes shop. We're nearly at the promenade, I think. Looks it. So I think we go down here and turn to the left. Right, it's 11 AM roughly, and I have to say it's very warm. It's going to be one of the days that I want to go into the pool. And thankfully we'd already decided to have a wee day by the pool, so just do this quickly. Then a taxi back to Salou. We're staying at the Salou Princess Hotel. That's our kind of base hotel. I will be doing a couple of other videos of other hotels while I'm here. But that's our kind of base. Just in case you haven't seen any of my other videos and you're planning on going to Salou or Tarragona and you want to visit Ventura theme park, wee tip for you: if you're here for a week and you're thinking of having 2 days at the theme park, well, what you could do, if there's a couple of yous, is book a hotel in the park, like the Gold River Hotel for example. Now, with that, depending on how much you pay for it, it could actually be cheaper than buying the ticket separate to go 2 days in a row. So with the hotel you get free access to the park and 1 free access to Ferrari Land. So 2 days you can come and go, plus you get your breakfast paid for. So I think that was well worth doing. Oh, and look at this. Look at this scenery. I'm not sure, I think that might be the ruins up there, or close to it. I'll see, I think it's over there, but look at this view. Look at all the tankers. I wonder if that's ending today with what's going on in Iran. Seems a bit weird, all the oil tankers just sitting there. Monument. Can't quite see because the sun's in my right. The ruins, I believe, are over here, the Roman Amphitheatre. It's a lovely place. I wish I could have convinced Jacqueline to come. So there's the amphitheatre. Look at that. Now, I wanted to take Jacqueline here, but she was a bit put off, thought maybe it wouldn't be too accessible. Plus she wanted to stay in her bed a bit longer, so we'll see. Okay folks, I'm going to end the video here and I'm going to take a wee look about the ruins. So I'm going to do a wee separate video of that and you can see that. I'll leave a link in the description. So let me know what you think. It's quite a nice wee walk. Wasn't many shops that I was interested in or that, but it seemed nice enough. So let's check it out. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye.